All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're looking at how early-stage startups can literally revolutionize their financial tech stack from the ground up, all by using AI. Look, if you're building a company today, you already know that traditional finance back office is, well, it's incredibly slow and eats up way too many resources. But recently, a whole new wave of AI tools has hit the scene. And the best part is, they're designed to actually talk to each other, integrate seamlessly with your existing stack, and effectively build an automated finance engine. So we're going to break down the exact tools you need to build this stack, exploring what the experts say are the absolute top AI finance tools for the next few years. Let's get into it. So we kind of have to start with this painful reality from our source material, the absolute dread of manually processing receipts. The source actually shares this wild anecdote about a finance head who literally had to lock their entire team in a room for a whole week. Why? Just to process a mountain of employee receipts. I mean, come on, that is not the work smart, highly capable professionals want to be doing, and honestly, it's not what they should be doing either. As a startup, your time is your most precious resource, right? Well, AI is perfectly positioned to eliminate this exact type of bottleneck. It clears the deck so you can focus on actually growing your business instead of, drowning in yesterday's lunch receipts. Phase 1. Taming the daily chaos. Let's see how this all builds, starting with that frontline grunt work that clogs up literally every lean startup. The source highlights two brilliant tools to fix this: Ryu and Mur. Think of these as your frontline defense, your automated expense heroes, basically. Mur acts as this super intelligent expense management system. It uses AI to scan whatever you have on your invoice or receipt, figures out what the data is, and literally books it right into your system for you. It even uses AI to figure out the correct accounting allocation for what your employees are spending. Crazy, right? And then you have Ryu, which lets employees scan their receipts directly. These tools aren't just taking pictures of paper. They're actively reading, understanding, and organizing the data right at the source, long before it ever hits a human desk. And this brilliantly illustrates the massive shift we're talking about. Just look at the traditional human task: manually cross-referencing complex VAT rules, dealing with weird tax exceptions, and verifying every single line item against the company expense policy. It's exhausting just thinking about it. But with AI, it happens instantly. Ryu reviews the receipts to make sure they actually follow company policies right at the exact moment they're scanned. If something's out of bounds, boom, it's flagged immediately. This means humans aren't wasting hours hunting down policy breaches. You save a ton of time, you catch errors that save the company money, and crucially, your employees get their money reimbursed way faster. It's a total win-win. Phase 2, the core engine. Now let's transition from those single-task frontline tools to the actual brain of your startup's accounting. Meet Puzzle. Puzzle is an accounting tool built specifically for startups, but it has a very specific, kind of strict philosophy. As the source notes, Puzzle is incredibly strict about who should actually use it. It requires your subledgers, those foundational accounts where all your transaction data lives, to have strong APIs and super clean data. So what does that actually look like in practice? Well, it means pulling your revenue data directly from Stripe, your headcount and payroll straight from Gusto, your banking from Mercury, and your expense data from Bill. If you have those modern API-first tools in place, they feed clean, perfectly structured data directly into Puzzle. It acts as the ultimate aggregator for the modern startup stack. So the absolutely crucial point is this number right here, 99%. Because Puzzle relies on the high quality of data coming from those specific foundational subledgers we just talked about, the system can actually do 99% of your accounting completely automatically. Seriously, let that sink in for a second. By setting up the right tools at the foundation, the actual process of accounting becomes almost completely invisible. Puzzle takes that automated data and generates management insights and essential startup reports in just minutes. It even integrates directly with fun, modern tools like Slack to keep your whole team updated. You've basically put your backward-looking financial reporting on total autopilot. Phase 3, the strategic advantage. With the baseline accounting automated, let's explore how you can shift your focus from looking backward to looking forward. Okay, before we introduce our final tool, it's super important to define FP&A, which stands for Financial Planning and Analysis. Traditionally, this is the really complex process of forecasting, modeling scenarios, and mapping out the financial future of the company. It's also, honestly, where startups traditionally struggle the most. Why? Because the tools they use are highly technical, which ends up completely isolating the non-finance founders and the rest of the management team from the actual financial strategy. Basically, the finance team built a massive complex spreadsheet and everyone else just stares at it in total confusion. And I absolutely love this description from this source material. To solve that exact FP&A bottleneck, we look at a tool called Runway. The team behind Runway has made financial planning not just accessible, but actually fun for teams outside of the finance department. When you open it, it feels incredibly intuitive. It's literally described as feeling like Notion or even playing a well-designed video game. It completely demystifies the financial model. By totally transforming the user interface, Runway invites the entire management team and even other departments to actively engage with the company's financial future. Runway gives growing startups some absolute strategic superpowers. I mean, you can actually use AI to query your financial model in plain English. You can just ask it questions directly about your runway or your burn rate. Plus, you can easily generate multiple growth scenarios to see exactly how different business decisions are going to impact your cash flow. And perhaps the most impressive part, it can auto-generate financial narratives. It translates a dense, complex wall of numbers into a clear, written story that the management team can instantly digest. It takes your financial model from a boring, static spreadsheet and turns it into a dynamic, interactive communication tool. To wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with this exciting thought. We've seen how tools like Miss and Ryu automate the daily chaos, how Puzzle puts 99% of the core accounting on autopilot, and how Runway transforms complex modeling into an interactive experience. As you implement these AI tools into your startup stack, you aren't just saving hours of manual data entry, you are fundamentally changing the role of your team. If the machine is doing all the heavy lifting of looking at the past, your humans are now entirely freed up to look at the future. So how will your team's strategic potential evolve when they're no longer just processors of data, but actual architects of your company's growth? It's a fascinating question, and for sure, one every single startup founder needs to be asking right now.